In this video, we're going to compute the following integral of ln of x over x between 1 and e. Okay, some people might see this one very quickly and say that the primitive of our function here is 1/2 ln of x square. And they're right, and they just integrate between 1 and e, and they get 1/2 ln of e is 1 and ln of 1 is 0, and therefore the value of this integral is 1/2. This is great, but it doesn't happen all the time that we see the primitive as quickly as we did here in this example. So the best way to deal with this kind of questions is to find a change of variable, okay? And that change of variable depends on the problem. And from my experience, dealing with exponentials and polynomials is better than dealing with the natural log and some inverse of polynomials. Okay, so for me, I would definitely change this one here. Change this ln of x to some u. Let u be ln of x. And the next step is to find dx. Okay, so here we can solve for x, okay, because we have a bijection in this interval. So e to e is just x, and I can get dx as eu du, okay? And I think I have all, I think this is all I need, okay? Now my integral, let's call it I. So I between 1 and e of ln of x dx. Now we can change the bounds. So when x is 1, u is gonna be 0. When x is e, u is gonna be 1. Okay, so ln of x is u, and x in my case is eu, but e to the power u, but will cancel with this dx. So I'm left only with u du. Okay, and therefore this is a polynomial, and I use the power rule, and I get u to, it's here to power 1, it's power 2 over 2 between 0 and 1, and I can integrate, I get 1/2. Okay, so this is my answer of finding this integral. Is this one the only one? This is the simplest one. Okay, there are other people that they can find different ones. Okay, this is the simplest one that we can now. Okay, and a golden rule: you play around, don't move that far away from your house if you are a child. Okay, stay there. Okay, so that means if you have the log, stay close to the exponential. Okay, if you have u squared, stay close to the square root. Okay, and there is another way that we can try, which is an integration by part. Okay, how can you try it in here? Does it work? You let me know. So here, this is the answer for those who are saying that we can find it quickly. But yes, you are right, but not all the times. Okay, you see, I've seen it, and you have found it very quickly, but others, they can't see it. Okay, and I think that's all we need. So the value is 1/2, either by using this one directly or using a change of variable. Okay, and this end the video. If you see any errors or mistakes, please let me know. Thank you again.